Extra sweet, extra sticky. Hiya Puddin, who are you? I've never seen you before. Or have I? I don't know. I'm so obsessed with my own man, my Puddin. Do you know him? He's a joker. Of course you know. Everybody knows him. Ugh. He's so fine. He's so hot. He's so yummy. Sorry, I was thinking about him. I'm Harley Quinn. It's nice to meet you. I want to make him some cinnamon rolls, but not just any cinnamon rolls. Banana bread cinnamon rolls. And then I wanted to throw in some chocolate chips. What do you think? To make him think of me, of course. And then on top, I want to do like a cream cheese peanut butter frosting on top. Ugh, so sweet, so delicious. It's gonna make him think of me. I want this recipe to be perfect for him, so I've worked so hard on this recipe day and night, and now these are the final results. So you're gonna help me make this last batch that he's gonna eat up. And in our flour, and here we have some cinnamon, nutmeg, and some salt. Then we're adding some white sugar, some brown sugar, instant yeast, because we need this to happen quickly, and that way we don't have to worry about doing the science, having it the right temperature with the milk. Throw it in. Also throwing in softened butter, also adding in vanilla extract, 1 super ripe banana, and then some milk. And let's give that a mix. So after you give that a mix with your paddle attachment, I have my dough hook on here now, and we're gonna mix this for about 2 to 4 minutes until everything comes together. But don't worry, I'll show you. Okay, now that's nicely combined. Just carefully take the dough off of the hook. Oh, she's sticky. All right, so we have our ball here, nice and sticky. So that's kind of how you want it. And I'll just rough shape this into a ball. Does not have to be perfect, because I have a bowl here, super oiled, plopping that in there, covering that with plastic wrap, and we're gonna let that rise. It's gonna double in size, probably take 1 hour. And in the meantime, I'm gonna ask around about you. I can't hang out with the Joker's enemies. Puddin, it's me. I've called you so many times. Call me back. Now we're just gonna flour our table, and our dough has doubled in size. So you just wanna give it like a quick punch to get those air bubbles out. And since we know length is important for these cinnamon rolls, we want them to be 12 inches by 18 inches. It's just perfect every single time. Let's just roll these out. Okay, now that we have that rolled out, we're just adding our butter, and we're spreading this across the whole dough. You probably just want to leave a little gap around the edges, because when we roll it up, you don't want it to be too messy. We want all the filling to stay on the inside. Here I have some brown sugar, and we're gonna add some cinnamon, make it super, super sweet. And let's just use our hands. Why not? And we're just gonna spread that throughout this whole dough. Try to make it as even as possible. My mouth is watering. And to match my tattoos, we're gonna add some chocolate chips. And then we're just gonna do little globs of banana. And then I just use my spoon to kind of spread it out just a little bit. And here's the most important part. We are rolling this long ways, but you also want it to be as tight as possible. So we're rolling all the way. Thinking of the Joker now. Wonder why he's not calling me back. Here in Gotham City, we do have a lot of tools, but you don't want to use this to slice. We have these cutters, which I want to use on Joker if he doesn't call me back. So it should make about 12 cinnamon rolls. So we're just gonna slice right through. and be as gentle as you can. And I will be gentle too. Now I have my pan sprayed with oil, I have parchment paper, and I'm just adding these cinnamon rolls to the pan. And this is gonna proof again one more time before we bake it for another 30 to 45 minutes or whenever it doubles in size. These smell so good. I wonder if I tell him I'm making him something, he'll call me back. And don't worry if it looks a little bit messy at this point. It's because we have all this filling inside. But once it proofs, it's gonna get those nice spirals. He's gonna see all the effort that I put into these for him. So this is how they look. So after they proof, we're gonna bake them at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then we're gonna frost them. So these bugs are trying to attack our desserts, but we are done. I frosted them inside. To make the peanut butter cream cheese frosting, all I did was add cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla. I'll add it right here somewhere so you guys can copy the recipe, but we are done. We've made our banana bread cinnamon rolls with peanut butter frosting. They're so gorgeous. They're just ready to fall apart. So I might as well just take a bite. Just falls apart. It's so warm, it's so gooey. Thank you so much for watching this Halloween episode as Harley Quinn. So many people said Harley Quinn, so I had to do it. So please like this video if you loved it and you want to see more videos by me. My birthday is coming up, so I'm probably gonna do a birthday episode on my next episode. These bugs are trying to get me, so I gotta go, but please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next video. I gotta eat these inside because they're trying to get me. Bye. Alright, dramatic. You ever fought anybody before? I have. Never fails. The paparazzi's here. How many planes? Damn. And an extra sweet. Oh, ew, that was huge. And then we're just gonna do little splotches. I'm not gonna know if it's a bug or a chocolate chip.